also, I think, with the voice activation, if I just click that, navigate to McDonald's.
Choose a line number.
1.
Selecting line 1. Please choose a search area for McDonald's.
Around the destination.
Around the destination. There is more than one McDonald's available. Choose a line number.
1.
Selecting line 1. McDonald's, McDrive, Preston 1.6 miles. Say, set destination or add waypoint.
Destination.
Setting destination. After a quarter of a mile, turn right.
So that's just giving this button, the voice activation, a quick press. You can tell it where you want to go.